Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the data on your applications on your Amazon Fire Stick. So on the home screen, let's scroll on over to Settings and select this. Then go down and go to Applications. Now under here, let's go to Manage Installed Applications and find the application you're having a problem with. So let's scroll on down to something under here. And then let's just simply clear the data. So I pretty much never use Spotify anymore. So let's go to this and then go down to clear data right here. So let's select this. It says all application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and database. So you may have to sign back in with an email address and password once you clear the data out. But if you are having problems with the application, this could possibly fix it without uninstalling it and reinstalling it back onto your Amazon Fire Stick. So let's clear the data out of here. And you can see it also cleared the cache. You can also just simply select clear cache, clear it out. But then go ahead and try just like force stopping it and then launch the application and just seeing if this actually helps your issue with the application at all. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.